We'll install an app in this video, and it's a very useful app too. To install apps, we go to Play Store. So let's touch on the Play Store, and it comes up and it's got a little search magnifying glass here, and I'm actually going to search for File Manager, and it knows I have because I entered it in before and it remembers that. So let's put File Manager in there. This is the app that we're going to install, an app that lets us look at the different files and folders on our smartphone or tablet. So we select it, and it takes us to more information about this particular app. And let's scroll down and look at that information. 155,000 people have reviewed it, and it's been downloaded 10 million times. And 115,000 people like this app. So it's pretty popular. That's a good first step. The second step is what is the review mark. And out of that, we can see we've got an average of 4.4. So that is a pretty good review mark there. So let's go back up and we will hit our install option. Go to install, and it will come back and there will be some permissions that it's asking for. Now let's just have a look at these, because generally there's a little thing here saying see all, and most people bypass that. If we touch that, then it comes up with things like this: view network and Wi-Fi connections, etc. So it pays to have a look through that, and this is just part of the world that we live in, that they have to know where their app is. So we're going to accept that, and once we've accepted that, the downloading begins, and we can see it started there, and it will start to 0%, 52%. It's downloading quite quickly. It's 2.76, and now it's moved to the install, so it's downloaded and it's installed it and installing it on our smartphone. My particular smartphone, they're successfully installed. My particular smartphone has an antivirus on it called AVG, and that will shortly kick into gear. It's an automated thing, checking on new downloads and checking that there's no viruses in there. It's a kind of timer-based thing, and very soon we'll see it just pop up. There it is, scanning File Manager. So the AVG has scanned it and found that it's okay. So all is well. And we now go back to our main screen, our home screen. And if we want to place the icon on one of our home screens, we go into our apps here, and we'll scroll through our apps until we get to the File Manager app, which is sitting here. We do a long press on that and hold it, and then we drag it over, and it's now sitting on our screen. We've now installed File Manager. It's a very useful app, as we will see in later videos and later in